Hi everyone, doing a review of the ABUS bike lock. This is the Bordo 6500K Granite X Plus. This is the highest security level that they do sell. This is a German product. As you can see right there, I paid about $185 before tax. So this is not a cheap product whatsoever. This one basically goes around. For my bike, it doesn't really go around, but it's supposed to go around like a certain bar right there, or it just doesn't fit my bike, unfortunately. So it's pretty difficult to do that. I mean, there's a way to do it, but this is not the downside of this product, which I'm gonna go over in a bit. But let me go over the good stuff. This is a hefty product. This is not a lightweight product. Let me go in and put it here on the floor. It's pretty hefty. It's pretty big. See right here. Let me go around and get it from the sunlight. Made in Germany. See right here the metal. Bordo X Plus right there on the top. This is like a rubberized, smooth rubberized. This is the key to open it, which I'll show you in a minute. Downside here, this one can open up. So just make sure that it goes in. You get this card or code card right here, and I'm not gonna be able to show you the numbers, but it gives you like a little code to save. Comes with 2 keys. So like I showed you before, the key right here looks like this. You put it in, you twist it, put it all the way in, twist it, and sometimes it opens up, sometimes it does not. But there you go, it opened up. So this is the metal. It's a really thick metal. I don't think there's going to be any type of break-in with this one, but what I do think is going to happen is somebody's going to pick this lock. That's the downside of it. But the biggest downside of this is, let me go ahead and zoom out right here. The biggest downside of this is, as you can see from my bike, is a big fat tire, and the frame is different, is a thicker frame because of the battery inside there. But it just doesn't go around the whole thing. So let me go ahead and show you. So let me go ahead and, it's gonna be difficult doing this, but as you can see here, once you put that around the tire, you can't really put it around the tire. So it's difficult. So that's the huge downside. So if you guys want to purchase this product, make sure that your bicycle is small, or the length of it has the ability for this lock to go around. Unfortunately, this one does not. So just make sure in terms of that when you do purchase it. I think in terms of the product, I think it's a great product. It is hefty. It's about 5-10 pounds, I would say, in terms of the weight. So it's not a lightweight product, but it is a sturdy product. It is rubberized to protect your bike if it doesn't need to scratch it or whatever. But other than that, I think it's great that this should make it longer to fit around the frame, or even the tire itself. So I try to do this around the frame and a post, and it was still very difficult. So just keep that in mind. All right, thank you very much.